The towing coverage is very simple. The amount of coverage that you have is the amount that you can get reimbursed for a tow if your car breaks down or is in an accident. So if you have a $50 towing reimbursement cost, you can get reimbursed $50 of the tow bill from your insurance policy. Honestly, I have never used nor have I seen many people use this coverage. It's really best just to use your AAA policy, if you have it, so that you won't have to come out of pocket for any of the tow. If you liked the video, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for allowing the Insurance Quotient to keep you informed.